Yeah. All right. So who is going to show up next? They can come up front, please.
Good morning, Saman. Good morning,
Yes. Good
everyone.
morning,
I would
Monica.
like to say,
Yeah, we can go further with.
can you confirm that my screen is visible?
Yes, Monica. Before this, can you just show me the Excel sheet so that I can get a
Yeah.
good clarification? Okay. All right. So you're doing the handling and okay, web management.
Yeah, actually, I was learning using JDBC. So,
Mm-hmm.
as a part of it, JDBC will throw SQL exception. So, for that, I need to practice exception first. So, I have completed all these 5 demos for exception. So, if you want me to execute, I will execute.
Yes, yes. Please execute.
Yeah. These are simple exception handlings, but these will give the idea of exception handling. When I use the divisor 0, it will give the exception that will be handled by catch block. And second one for multiple catches. So here it will there will be chance for two exceptions. One is array index out of bounds. That is we are using only 5, but we are accessing sixth index. And one is division by 0. So it will cast the which is the exception will occur first. So in this case, division by 0 will be first. So that will be cast. And third one for nested try block in one try in another try. So here in the first try I didn't given any exception. It will just print the first try block, and in the inside try I will get the array index out of bound exception. So this is the error. It will be cast by inner catch only. And one more for throw keyword. So how can I use, where can I use like that I have.
Monica, wait, in the demo third Java, you are having that array index out of bound. So where it is showing array index out of bound? Why?
Inner catch only
No, no, no.
catches the,
You are catching, but why it is showing that array index out of bound exception?
because we're accessing a of 6, we have given a of 5 only as length.
A of 5.
Yeah, here.
So if you have declared int like that array with 5 size, right?
Yeah,
In that case, what is the index value you will have?
till 4 only. 0 to 4 I can access,
Yeah,
and 5 to any number it will be the out of bound only.
that is not available. Okay, thank you. Fine. Yeah, carry on.
Yeah. So when I use throw, I can throw it as new runtime exception. So in this case, we can give the message in the red color now. Till now, we have seen the green color, black color. This is the time red color. So when we want to like highlight something new error to the user, we can use throw like this. Here the statement is printing. You are not eligible to vote. I have given in the runtime exception. We can see this here in the output. And coming to throws, when we want to declare the exception at the time of method declaration, we can use the throws. So this is the output. This is the error by 0. And these are the examples for exception handling. And after completing that, I have practiced one of the basic employee management using database. So I have used my MyDB database and the table is employees. So here I have worked on all the four things: retrieving the data, insertion, deletion, and updation. So first of all, I will show the what are the values I have in my table. So these are the two values I have in my table: ID numbers 12 and 15, and names Monica and Arjun. So after this, I will like to comment it, and I want to show the insertion part. So I'm inserting new value, that is with ID 17, we can see here. One second. So we can see insertion successful, one row affected. So if we want to see the insertion, I can show on the DB. So here we can see third row also included. And after that, I will like to show deletion. So here I'm deleting based on ID only, that is 17. So the value which we have just included will be deleted now. We can see the statement deletion successful, one row affected. So when I go to DB, and now we can see two values only, the third value got deleted. So now I want to change the salary of ID number 15. We can
Monica,
see
do you
here,
have any doubt?
no doubts,
What is your
everything is
next
fine.
plan?
Just so my plan is to implement student management system with JDBC, and I wanted to work on hotel reservation using JDBC.
Okay, thank you. You are good in progress. So why that error is showing in demo 1 and demo 2? Can you go on that?
No errors are there.
You remove that one. In the first line, you are having one, right? Remove that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was
Control
added
S.
when I was giving input. Yeah.
Go to the demo 1. Go to the demo 1.
One second.
Go to the demo 1. Make control S.
Done.
Fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. So you are good in progress. You can continue your work. Thank you. You can stop sharing.
Thank you.
Yes, Samal, please carry on.
Yes. So next, who wants to go further? May I know who wants to go for next? Okay, so we'll do one thing is, Javed, you're here, right?
Yes, sir. Among
Yeah, very good morning. So Javed, you can quickly share your screen and showcase what currently we are working on, so that the people who are from the merge tag background, they will also get a good idea. And
okay,
guys, I will give you a short brief until Javed is sharing the screen. That we are currently working on two live projects of the merge tag. That is, one is LMS, your learning management system, as well as another is the HR one, which is currently HR management one is there. That is also, it will go in the live in a while. So right now, Javed, you can just describe what and how it is so that people can also get to know.
so basically, I'm working on a live project named LMS. Oh, sorry, PCS LMS system, the company's project. Here I have tasked to maintain the separate dashboard for every domain like MERN and Angular. If I click on MERN, there Or please fetch from the YouTube, and here I can see the videos like this. And if I click here, the video is playing in the left side, right side, and the playlist is in the left side. And yesterday I made the full screen as well. So, so that is the product.
Okay, so guys, I will describe you guys a little bit more. That is why this system is right now. So it will fetch the data from the YouTube, but after I guess this month or after the next month, this will be completely its own database. Like it is connected to MongoDB for all this playlist things. But after a while, it will have its own database where the employees can able to fetch the training program through this LMS system only. They have to require to register by we will be keeping the registration ID as well as by your own employee email address and your employee ID. That will be the verification done. And when you are joined in this current system, you can then go further and go through any training list which is required for you, and it will have its own dedicated playlist. So only there you will be getting the recording, and you can fetch any data out of them so that you can have an overview in a short way. So not only the videos, there will be the, you can say, road maps and few resources, few other contents where you can have a better idea. You can get a good approach. And this is currently in the initial stages. That's where we are building the team, and we had asked in the WhatsApp also for providing the name, whoever is feeling to join this current thing. And this will be taken care of under me, and my team will be going on this way. And there are few other steps also which we will be disclosing in a very short manner. So this is a overview of the current project which is going on live. As well as this will be connected to Cloud Labs. We are having a separate division also of PCS Cloud Labs that is also running simultaneously, where you can get a better brief how it is and how it can work. So that's for now. And Javed, you can showcase your progress only in this, what you have done and how it is. So even others will get to know.
Okay. So I just made the playlist over here, and on the behalf of playlist, I made the block over. I can see the video like this. If I click on the any of the playlist, so it will fetch the data from the YouTube, and it will show the video according to it. And the
Is
video
that
is
you are
Yeah,
playing.
showing
can
in the
you? Yeah,
frame,
yeah.
right?
So Javed, can you go to the back and go to the Angular one?
Yeah, available.
Yeah. So the Angular database is also there.
So,
Here the playlist also are coming. And
yeah.
can you just show me the Excel sheet of yours? Okay. Yeah, so this is completely using React.js, right? And for now, styling part, you are using you're not used much of styling, right? Now.
So sorry, you just told me that you just made model first, then after that you
Yes, yes.
styled.
Before that, we have to create the structure. On that basis, we will be, because styling is not a big deal. We can do it in a short span of a time. Before that, the structure
Styling
should
part
be.
is taking time, so that's why I'm not focusing on it. So that's why.
Yeah, don't worry. I will be there. I will be helping on it. No issues. Okay. Yeah. So, what's your next plan?
So next plan to maintain the whole dashboard over here, and according to the separate domain, I can fetch the videos.
Okay. So you have to create multiple playlists over here, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I guess there are around six dashboard that you have to create.
yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah. So Javed, I guess that's pretty much fine for now. And Anyhow, afterwards also we will be working and few others team members will also working on this project. So it will
Sure.
be upgrading in very fast pace for now. So yeah, Javed, you can pretty much stop sharing for the screen now. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah, so I hope everyone pretty much got this project and this ideology, right?
Hello.
Anyone who is having a doubt in this part, they can come up front.
Hello.
Yes, Anita.
Actually, I don't know what I have to do in here.
Sorry.
Step- I don't know what I have to do in here. I don't have any idea about that Excel sheet. What is this?
Yeah. So regarding that Excel sheet, that means in the Excel sheet you have to show your daily progress, whatever you're doing. The consider your if you're doing a small code block or if you're doing a small self project, like the previous part, previous day you had showed your self project, right?
Completed one project in Java. Recently, I working with Spring Boot with React project.
Yeah. So whatever your daily thing you're going with, daily task you're doing, that you can write in the this Excel sheet. And if you don't have the Excel sheet, we will be providing you in shortly. So you can fill it and you can start with it. As well as in that Excel sheet, you have to showcase how much of hours you are doing, how much hours you are putting on that, and on that basis, you can get to know what is required and how much how much is your expected hours that you can complete and how much you took for it. So that's how your overall day-to-day sheet will be maintained. I guess this is pretty much clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. So yeah, who wants to go next? Please come up front as soon as possible. Yes, guys, please come front.
Hello.
Yes, Payal.
Yeah, can I share?
Yeah, you can share the screen.
The last week I am learning about a document object model, how it's get element uh, in JavaScript. Yeah, it,
Okay,
yeah, this one here. With the use of get element by ID, I got the element with ID. With the use of get element by tag name, we can get the element with the use of tag name, and with the use of get element by class name, we can get uh, using element using class name. And another way we can use a query selector. Uh, this is for all ID name, ID tag name and class name also. So mostly we can use a query selector. Yeah.
okay.
Here,
Can you run the code, please?
yes. Yeah, this one here. Um, uh, in H1 tag, I am writing a document object model. H2 tag, good morning everyone, and another three divs here: first div, second div, and third div. Here I am getting the element by ID and printing tag name here in a console, and another S2 tag we can uh, some text hello JavaScript will be added in a S2 tag, and another uh, I am changing this div's value. First div I am adding Payal Prajapati. In second div I am adding italic tag Java domain, and in third div I am adding Bangalore. So it will be changed here. This one first div, second div, and third div, and here I concat JavaScript hello JavaScript.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
So, may I know what will be the use of this program?
What?
What will be the use like in the further future? What will be the major use of this?
we can access uh, HTML tag in JavaScript.
Okay.
So we can change dynamically in HTML
All
with
right,
the
got it.
use of JavaScript.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what's your next progress?
Some rest topic like get attribute, set attribute in the yeah,
Okay.
and another with use of Windows dot print we can uh, print out. Yeah, I run this first. Yeah, here if I click on print, it show how it
Okay,
prints.
so it is print in the entire page.
Yes,
Okay, okay, got it, got it.
and another which one is with the use of on click. This one is index. Here I click, then it Google Gmail link.
Okay, so it is redirecting to the mail.
Yeah,
All
here
right, got it.
I'm writing this function here on click and location.href. It will redirect gmail.com.
Okay, cool. So may I know how much hours you have put for this?
3 years.
Can you show the Excel sheet?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you know, this is, yeah, it's a good progress, but you need to do a little bit more progress as well because
Yes.
3 hours is not sufficient only for one day. At least minimum it should be more than 4 to 5 hours so that you can learn in a rapid pace, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because in total you have to bring somewhere around 70. If it is not near 70 also, at least try to achieve around 40
Yeah.
to 50 hours because you have to provide or at least give yourself like a self training at least 5 hours or 6 hours is really necessary.
Yes.
Actually, you can learn in a rapid pace and you can get to know more, more vast knowledge because in JavaScript also there is a lot of thing to learn.
Yes. Yes.
If you want to go for React or if you want to go for any JavaScripts also, consider normal also, there is a vast sea. So
Yes.
you have to pace up yourself a little bit more, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, for now it's fine, but next time onwards I require more rapid and more hours on this thing, which you work.
Okay. I will try my best.
Yeah. Thank you for now, Priya. You can stop sharing the screen. Okay, who wants to go next?
Sir, can I share?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Vikas, please go further.
Hello, good morning, sir. Sir, created a CURD operation using the Spring Boot and React.js. In this, I put my name and my address, and I submit to this.
Why it is typing beside submit also?
I just managing the what called, sir. Sir, when I means created this front page, that time I getting lot of errors, so that's why I what called for storing the variable, I got declared this in a form, so that's why it's showing here. Wait a minute, I will explain everything, sir.
Sure, sure.
When I click on this submit button, it went to a database and storing in that. Wait a minute, sir. Here is a database for that student form. When I refresh this, uh, see, sir, it's getting here adding. So, sir, I getting one error in front end part. So I'm not how to solve this error. I going to.
Yeah, can you show the error?
Can you how do you able
Yeah,
to?
yeah, show first once.
Sir. Here is a use case. When I using this use case, it's showing some error. I'm going to face this data from database also means CRUD operation.
Okay.
When I run this code, that time it's showing the error to face the data. Sir.
What is the error?
Mm, Answer.
Can you show me what's the error you're getting?
One minute. Sir. This error. Sir. Can you see this?
Yeah, yeah. Can you go in line number 83?
Yes, sir. It's showing a declaration and definition problem. So I tried every type. It's not possible.
No, no, wait, one second. Why you have provided paper style in such style? Like, are you using any other style?
Means it for I created one form below the what called adding form, sir, to showcase that all data, sir.
Yeah, because you're providing that style, but over
Uh,
there, I don't think so anywhere else you're using paper style, right?
yeah, yes, sir. But I means before this I tried here, but it not working, so that I removed the paper and container style here, sir.
Even student is not defined.
Student, so that I getting how to define when I trying to define that student, it's showing errors. I tried to import that all what called tags from the here you React.js.
No, because that tags are user tags. No, you have created by your own, right?
Okay, sir.
Student and paper style, that is
Okay.
not inbuilt tag that is created by you, right?
Student and yes.
So you have to declare it by your own. So
Okay.
that's where if you declare it above also, in the main part, still it will not take because it's not a built-in thing.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, can you just scroll down? Yeah, regarding the error, I'll fix it in a while. For now,
Yes, sir.
yeah. What's your next plan?
So I'm going to create projects on this create React and Spring Boot, LinkedIn and dummy projects. I mean clone projects.
What will be the project?
Use LinkedIn clone using
LinkedIn
React and
clone.
uh,
Okay, all right. And how many hours you had given for this thing?
I given for this, I think. Wait a minute, I will show the chat, sir.
Uh,
Here is from here.
Okay, so you have provided around. All right. Yeah, that's pretty fine for now.
Yes, sir.
You can do one thing is you can try to, first try to fix the error by yourself also.
Yes, sir.
If again, if you're not able to fix it, then I will help you out, no issues. Because
Yes, sir.
fixing a error by your own will get to know how to implement, what to implement,
Yeah,
how
yeah,
you can
yes.
do it. So first give it a try from your side. If you are still
Yes.
facing an issue, then you can let me know, okay?
Okay, sir. For this, I need to define, sir,
Yes, for
student
this you
and
have to define a paper style as well as a student because when it is
uh,
fetching the data from the student map, right?
yes, sir.
Student.map or whenever for the paper elevation you are providing a style that is paper style,
Yes,
that
sir.
is not there. So due to that, the error is coming up.
Okay, sir.
But
Okay,
yeah,
no problem.
in further you can check on your side also what and how it is.
Yes. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
So for now, yeah, Vikas, you can stop sharing the screen.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. All right, so we will go with the next person.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dr. Prasad. Prano Pratap, you can share the screen.
Um, Last week I learned the Node.js and APIs, REST APIs, and using the create projects. And my project name is WhatsApp chat. And here is my project. In this run, I also send the any messages and continue from send the Bhanu, and he's received the hi from Rahul and Shivam. And here is my code, and using here's my text plan and not mentioned here, and here's my css and html.css and client.js, server.js, and package.js json, and also using the nodemon and nodemon and start server nodemon server.index.js.
Okay, all right.
And
So this is and how you're getting to know that this particular person is typing this message.
this is already completed, sir.
Yeah, yeah, like consider Rahul is typing, right? How are you fetching the
Yeah.
data that Rahul is typing and Rahul has provided the chat? Can you show me that the code?
Yes, sir. Add the many persons. I already add the only three persons. If you I want to add the more than three persons, you already accepted.
Okay. Yeah, so Bhanu Pratap, for now, can you just show
Yes.
me a simple chat between all these three people? Yeah, Bhanu Pratap, can you just show me a simple chat between all these three people? And is it storing anywhere?
No, sir, because I not did not store and using a database because my next plan is to learn set up the MongoDB and learn database. Is only using for the Node.js and API and Socket IO.
Okay, all right. So for now, it is
Yes,
not
sir.
storing anywhere, right?
Yes, sir. And I also requested, sir, please join a clip Q4 MERN batch. I already messaged on WhatsApp, and you said that resolve the problem, but no resolve till now.
Okay, got it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So yeah, what's your next plan, Bhanu?
My next plan is learn database MongoDB, how to set up MongoDB, and how to use the MongoDB.
Okay. Yeah, for now, that's pretty much good progress. So you can stop sharing for now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So yeah, who wants to go next? Yeah. So who wants to go next? Please come up front.
Hello.
Yeah, Suman, you can carry on.
Okay. Uh, so last day. Uh, so last day I worked with the student management system using JSP and Sublet, and I also push it to the project in Git and GitHub, local and to cloud also, and also to insert student in that project in JSP part. Okay, so this is the uh,
This web page you have designed in using which one, like JSP or Shortcut?
JSP and also backend is the servlet.
Okay, go to
Yes.
the code.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the JSP part. I using the basic styling. Also,
Validation also you have wrote, right?
yes, little more validation. Actually, validate only email ID, I think, and not validate to the
You
mobile
think or it
number.
will validate?
No, 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 no. Actually, it is validated in uh, only email ID,
Go to
but
the web browser.
not validated in mobile number.
Go to the web browser.
Okay. Yes.
Type your email ID.
Yeah.
Where you are storing this data?
Yes. Storing the data. Yes. When I hit submit, uh, yeah, check. Uh,
But still you are on the page only, right? Nothing happened.
no, nothing happened. Actually, there is required for one pop-up or something. So here I store in sorry. Yes. Yeah. There is the
Not
data.
commit, you wrote something else, right?
No, not come.
Yeah, you had written Sumit, Suman.
That is not
Yes.
coming. Go to your web browser.
Uh,
Because after clicking
yeah.
on that button, what is anything, nothing is happening over here, right?
Yes, nothing is
So
happening.
clicking on the submit, it's not going
Not
anywhere.
accepting that. Data is not
Yes,
accepting.
yes,
So
yes.
can you remove that .com?
Yeah,
Remove that.
.com.
Now press on the button, submit.
Yes.
valid image. So
Present a
write a
valid
dot,
image.
write dot XYZ.
Uh,
Your validation is
dot
taken.
x y z.
Hit on submit.
Yeah, yes, it is valid.
Where is your email validation?
Yes, yeah, my email validation is in
No,
there.
that is not email validation. Go to your web browser.
Yes.
So in dot XYZ, it is accepting or not accepting.
Yes, it is accepting.
So
So
if it is accepting also, it should be showcasing in the database also, right, Chandan?
no,
Yes.
that is another thing. But that
Uh,
validation over it is not working, right?
Yeah,
yes,
validation
that
is not
validation is
working.
not
That's
working.
there. As
Yeah.
well as if consider validation is not working also, it should store in the database
Yes. So
because
for that he
Yeah,
will have
but
to write the
not
code.
stored.
No, he will have to write the code. Go to your JSP page.
Yes, in JSP page.
You minimize this output console. Can you minimize that output console? Yeah, drag it down.
Yes. Uh,
yeah, you can minimize like that also. Then
yes.
Yeah. Where is your form? Go
Uh,
to the form.
yes.
On submit you wrote where is that get and post? Where is that
Mm,
method and like that servlet you will have to on action tab have you used that one action attribute? On
okay.
submit the only that you validation wrote na JavaScript. Where is that get and post method? With method is where because that is the responsibility of that method to carry it over the HTTP, right?
Yes,
Means
yes,
using
yes.
that get and post method only you can uh, carry the data, right? Whatever you
Yes.
wrote inside your JSP page, and that is the responsibility of HTTP, like HTTP. So protocol because that is responsible to make the connection between your client to server. But the method you will have to write it over here, either get or post, right? So nothing
Yes,
you wrote
yes.
inside there after clicking or hitting on the submit button, how it will work? It will not work. Definitely it will not
Okay,
work, right?
okay, okay, okay.
So
Yes,
just you
I
do one
understand,
thing over
understand
here.
that.
Just do one thing over here. Go to the form tag inside and write where is your form. After that, validate you wrote na something. Validate form,
Uh,
right?
yes, yes, validate form.
So after double quote, just you go make one space. Double quote. Yeah,
In
make
here.
one space. Yes, write it over. No, no, go out. Yeah, give
Yes,
space.
yes,
Write
yes.
over here like action, right?
Action.
No, no, a small action.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Method you will have. Wait 1 minute.
Yeah. Post. I think one is post. I think it's post. Yes. Do post. Okay.
In action, what you wrote?
Post.
No, 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 no. In
Sorry.
action,
Do
you will have
post.
to give that servlet page name, na?
Okay,
URL,
okay.
URL pattern you will have to give it over
Yes.
and there
User.
it
Is
is
sublet
URL.
page.
Go to the web.xml. Go to the web.xml.
Yes.
Yeah, about there. Click on that. So mapping over here you have not wrote, right?
No.
Okay, then in that case you will have to write the mapping for like you just create any JSP and you can give that JSP name over here. So right click on the web app. Right click on the web app.
Right click on web app. Okay.
Web app. No, no, web app. Web app. Go to that web app.
Okay.
Where is your web app?
Yes.
Above. Below resources.
Okay. Okay.
Go above, baby. Come on,
Okay.
go above. That
Okay.
one, yeah. Right click on that.
Okay.
Generate one JSP.
Generate.
It's not showing JSP over here, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Create and file or
No, no,
something
no,
is
not file.
just.
Yeah, you leave that one, leave that one.
Uh,
So you can do that one. Like in action tag, you will have to write the give the URL. Like if you will create one any servlet, then in that case you will have to give the servlet what URL you will have to give it over there. And in the like method you will have to write inside that either get and post, right? So those things you will
yes.
write in that case. If you will hit enter on that your submit button, it will accept that one there over.
Okay.
So fine, you can do it at your end because we have a lot of We have
Yes.
another,
Yeah.
so we'll have to showcase
So,
that one.
Suman, what's your next plan?
Yeah,
Yes.
you complete
Yeah.
this one.
To complete that one. Yes.
Yeah, apart from that.
Sorry. Apart from that, uh, and also this project I also complete for today, and also worked with the client project also, and that is the
Okay. Yeah. So for now, you can pretty much stop sharing the screen.
okay. Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And yeah, who wants to go next? So Nilesh,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you can go further.
Yeah, okay.
Nilesh, can you just show me your Excel sheet?
Yeah, okay. It's my worksheet.
And may I know where you have filled the progress?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So what you are doing? Can you just brief me?
E-code web page, sir. It's like shopper stop.
Okay, like stopper. Okay, all right. Yeah, can you just run the code?
Yeah, okay, sir. It's my page, sir. Front page.
That your card is not coming in proper way, right? You can adjust that one.
Which I adjust
Yeah, size and
because I
also
worked
content
these
is not
links.
showing
Yes,
proper
sir.
way.
I worked after this link, finished this link.
Inside your product, na, like see that card is it's not showing in the proper way. You can work on it. Yeah, scroll down.
Okay. Just a minute.
See the size is also only one like your card is accepting whole the window, right? You should
Yeah.
maintain this
It
one.
goes
Actually,
to
yeah, that is fine. For afterwards, for the designing part, we can do that. But I want
Yes.
to see if the structure is working and how it is.
Also content is not in proper format.
Hmm.
so I worked the links, so I finally focused the designs also.
Can you add
What this
multiple
links?
rings? Like,
No, sir.
can you add multiple products?
Multiple does not work, sir. Because I use single to ghost that page after the cart is active.
Okay.
Thus, I work these full links after I finish the CSS. So I just working in with these pages. I need to put this data in database, so I want some time,
Hmm.
sir.
And for database, what you are gonna use?
MySQL, sir, with PHP.
Okay. Hmm. Alright, so can you search any products?
Yes, sir, it will be in alphabets. So
Okay, title is there.
now also I worked in design, sir. So I worked in this payment page also. So I need some time to finished.
Okay.
What is your next plan, Nikhil?
Yes,
Nilesh?
I process my payment pages and
Okay.
profile pages to database. I connect with this.
And for payment
Okay.
pages, what you gonna use?
I think JavaScript, sir. JavaScript with
Mm-hmm.
PHP.
All right. Okay, yeah, that's pretty fine. May I know how much time it took for you?
It's mainly 35 hours something.
Show me your Excel sheet once again, please. All right, yeah, that's pretty good progress for now.
Yeah,
Uh,
okay.
just tell me what's your next progress. You said the database, as
Mm-hmm.
well as you have to do the payment page
Yes, sir.
and styling of all that, right?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool, cool. All right. Yeah, that's pretty fine for now. Nilesh, you can
Yes,
stop
sir.
sharing the screen. Thank
Yeah,
you.
okay. Thank you, sir.
So, who is remaining? Shrapti?
Good morning, sir. I could not practice for last 2 days due to my health is so. Before that, what day practice can I show?
Sorry, come again. I couldn't hear you.
Uh, I could not practice for last 2 days.
Okay. May I know the reason?
My health is so sorry.
Okay. All right.
Um,
And so that means there is no progress for now, right?
yes, I practiced for before last 2 days. Is a web base. Can I show that?
All right. May I show in a very quick way? And can you tell me what's your plan for now?
This is a web page, and I have to complete this.
So you have make this responsive also.
Yes,
Can you increase the size? All right, good.
and some picture also. This
Mm-hmm. That's good.
and this and there also menu bar and inside menu bar.
And for this, what you're using?
Only HTML CSS.
Only HTML, CSS.
Yes,
Okay.
and I have to complete this web
You are
page.
using any database or anything
No,
for storing the blog or anything?
no.
Okay, so
I,
may I know what's your next plan?
I have to complete this web page storing data inside this.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. But overall, it's really good. It it looks very well made.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good to know. How much time it took for you, Shabdi?
I uh, I took 8 hours for doing this 2 days, 4 and 4 hours, 8 hours.
Okay, that's pretty much good for now. What's your next plan, you said?
I have to complete this website, inserting data also in home about course.
Okay, got it. Yeah, Shabdi, for now, it's pretty fine. Make sure you're showing the progress from tomorrow onwards.
Yes, yes, sure, sure.
Okay. Yeah, for now, you can stop sharing the screen. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So, yeah, who wants to go next, please? So, I guess Shubham is the remaining. Shubham Gupta?
I think Modi is remaining. Shashwat, have you shown that
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, Shashwat also showed.
Anita,
Anita also showed.
Dhanurjaya? Dhanurjaya not shown, right?
Dhanurjaya has not showed.
Suman, they
Dhanurjaya and
have shown.
Shubham. Yes,
Vikas
Shubham.
here, Amit.
Yes, Vikas is also done.
Yes.
And
So
Monica.
Dhanurjaya, are you there?
Dhanurjaya?
Hello.
Yeah. Can you show us the progress?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Actually, I'm a new joinee. I joined in last week, so I
New
don't
journey, how many days you have attended this morning meet?
morning meeting. I think around 3, 4.
If
Three,
you
four
have
means
done
what? You
three,
are
four
quite enough
times,
to
that
work on
means
that, right?
you should start doing your progress.
Yes, yes. Actually,
No,
sir, I
Samarth,
want.
if
I
he
will,
has attended
yeah,
3 minutes,
Chandan, one
it
sec,
means
one
what?
sec, one sec. Okay, Dhanuj, a live
Yes.
example for you is Anita over here. Okay,
Okay.
Anita has joined only one time before this, and she
Okay.
pretty much showcased her progress after one day also. So that means you, if you're doing 3 to 4 times, that means you pretty much know what is going on and how we are able to check how we are seeing it, right? So
Yes, sir.
you're no more new joining anymore because you already got your employee ID. You have
Yes.
got everything, and you have joined in
Ac-
the particular programs also. So that
Sorry,
means
sir.
you
Sorry, sir.
already.
Actually, I have not maintained the Excel sheet, but I practiced the things which are discussed in the uh, session. Uh,
Can you show me right now what you have done?
okay, okay, okay.
And one more thing, make sure that is you're not anymore new joining.
Yes, sir.
Once you have got your employee ID and everything, that means you have started with us.
Okay. I think my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, it's visible.
So I on these things, operators, conditional statement, and some logical programs, palindrome, prime number, factorial, these kind of things. And also, but I want to know one thing: is there any project, Java project session going on?
Sorry.
Hello. Oh, actually, I want to join a project. I have the basic knowledge about the Spring Boot and a
Yeah,
MVC
so for
scripting.
joining the project, you have to showcase your
Yes.
progress also, right? That then
Pro-
only I can get to know that yes, you are pretty much eligible for a project. That's where this
okay.
main stand-up call is for, to see everyone's progress, how they are able
Okay.
to showcase their skills, and on that basis of skills, I can provide them the required project. But if I
Oh,
don't get it, if I don't ultimately get any report from your side or whatever you're doing daily, then how can I provide you?
okay. Can I show my skills? I know I learned the things from some online tutorials.
Yeah,
Spring
I
Boot.
want to see your progress for next few days, then only I can decide anything.
Okay, sir. But sir, I can show you
No,
some of the projects.
for today, I will not see anything because I want to see your daily progress. One day or
Okay.
one day, I can't tell you anything.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. So you want to, I will develop from a project from scratch.
Okay. That's pretty good. May I know what is your next plan? Do you have an Excel
Next,
sheet with you, by the way?
no, actually, I have not maintained the Excel sheet
Okay. So you don't
from.
have the Excel sheet or you didn't maintain
Yes,
it?
yes, yes. I have the Excel sheet, but I have not maintained the Excel
And
sheet.
may I know the reason why you have not maintained? It's been a week, right?
Yes, but actually, I don't know. I have another a part-time work, so I
So I will
not
tell you
practice
one
that
thing,
one.
Dhanunjay, just because you're part-time work or anything else you are putting, right? You can't do
But
this kind of things over here.
yes, yes, but actually,
This will not
from
be
now I
entertained
will.
because if I am not seeing any Excel sheet as well as you are not showing your report, that means
Okay,
I will not consider your progress. Let it be if you're completing a full stack project also. Still, I will
okay,
not take it under consideration because you're not going through the company rules and regulation.
okay, okay. Sorry for that. Sorry,
And
sir.
moonlighting is not uh, gonna work over here because if you're not dedicating yourself to this company, that means we will not consider you also in any project, right?
No, no. Actually, I just I have no job. That's why I have joined a part-time work. But from now I have no work. I resigned from this work, and that's why I want to
So,
put
yeah,
more
for
time
now,
for
I want to
my
keep
learning.
all the reasons aside. From tomorrow
Okay.
onwards, I want to see every detailed presentation as well as a report, that is your Excel sheet from your side.
Okay, sir. So,
Okay.
to tomorrow morning, I think I would develop a project and so you in
Yeah,
that
whatever
kind of
daily progress you're doing, it's not necessary that you have to develop a full-fledged project only. Even the
okay,
code block or whatever you're learning daily, you have to just showcase that, and then we can get to know how you're progressing. Okay?
okay, okay,
Yeah, so for now, you can pretty much stop sharing the screen. Thank
okay.
you.
Thank you.
And Shubham Gupta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Shubham Gupta, can you just share the screen and show me the progress?
This is my progress report, where I have done with the user module.
Yeah, one more thing, guys. You don't need to require to put in the Excel sheet like it's Sunday and it's like holiday, because it's already pretty much considered. So you can, instead of filling that gap, you can just write by your own the next progress, like the 19th you can start if 18th was Sunday.
No, that's for our understandable purpose because that access is at our end, right? So
Yeah, so
it will
yeah,
look
you
that
don't
it
need to
means what
mention
that
it
that
is
time
Sunday
it
or
is Sunday, right?
something, right?
But suppose while scanning, if that would be not there, it is for my understanding, our understandable. It is not for the company purpose, right? Because if that will be mentioned, it was but while looking, we can check like okay, on that day we had that Sunday. That's it.
All right, it's up to you. If that is pretty fine for you guys, because see, ultimately in the report it should be pretty neat and clean.
Yes.
Um, you because one column is pretty important. Yeah, okay. So Shubham, this you were showcasing previous also to us. You had done that in the night and all, as well as yeah. Did you connect it to any database?
Yes, sir, it is already connected, and here I have implemented the view doctor. From here, you can see the doctor details and also edit the data and delete the data. If suppose I want to delete from here, data will be deleted, and here from you can add the doctor and also log out from here, and also sir, here I have implemented a user module.
Can you, Shubham, can you be please a little bit more loud and clear, please?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah, carry on.
Yes, sir. Here I have implemented a user module.
Okay.
From here, you can get an appointment. From here, no, here is a appointment button where you can click and see the page of appointment user appointment. From here, you can enter details like
Can you change the gender? Okay, it's a drop down. All right, good. And one more thing is also there for age, you can keep a limit because no one is having an age of more than 200.
yes, sir.
I guess it's pretty typing, right? It's if you put 200 also, it is taking, I guess. And for all this, you have to start doing the validation also. Like so common simple validations like mobile number should not be more than 10, or it should be not less than 10. C. As well as your age should not cross more than, I guess, 120, 130. What is
Yes,
currently Guinness World Record depends on that. Uh, and doctor also you have done. Okay. Yeah.
sir,
Name
this
should
is a
not be in any
dynamic where
digit
you
or
can
anything.
see.
Yeah, your name should not be having any digit in it, like or any special characters. So overall, your appointment generated successfully. Can you show me where it is stored? I hope you're noting down, right, Shubham?
Yes,
Look,
sir.
okay. Um,
Yes, sir. You can see the
mm,
data.
okay. So what's your next plan, Shubham? It's actually a very good website for now.
Sir, I want to complete a view appointment module. From here, you can see there is
Okay,
nothing.
so that should be linked to the database.
Yes, sir. After getting this appointment generated successfully, then user can see
Yeah, it should fetch
his
the
or her
data from
appointment.
the from the database and it should show over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you go to the home page once? Okay, scroll down a bit. Okay. All right. So what's your next plan apart from the that one?
Sir, I have to complete this project completely.
Okay. Yeah, for now it's
And
pretty.
there is a doctor login part also.
Yeah, and the password, make sure you're yeah, you're having a function which shows the password also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So for now, I guess Shubham, that's a pretty good progress. So you can pretty much stop sharing your screen. Thank
Thanks.
you. And yeah, I guess with this we are pretty much wrapped up for today. So Pradeep,
Yes, yes, sir.
may I know what is the time now?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. 2 days late.
How late?
Health issue, sir.
So to whom you have to inform?
No, sir.
You have to inform to the person, right? To your coordinators that I'm facing a health issue or I'm facing issue.
Okay, sir.
Because today we will not able to take your progress because it's already the time is consumed.
Um,
So how will you refill this particular day? Yeah, so Pradeep, any answers?
yes, yes, sir. No, sir. सर थोड़ा सा सॉरी खराब था ना इसलिए मैं थोड़ा देरी हो गया.
Next time onwards, if you're facing any issue before 8 o'clock, you have to mention it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Or one day prior, you have to provide us the reason or whatever you are facing.
Okay, sir.
Because once it after 8, we will be closing the attendance between 8:30. We have provided 20 minutes to half an hour of a buffer time. for you people to at least go further. But if you're joining after 9:30, that means you're not completely aware and you're not completely interested in this. We will consider in that way only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So next time onwards, make sure you're pretty much, joining every day.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. It's not only for Subhadeep, it's for everyone.
Okay, sir. Okay. No problem.
So yeah, for now I guess we can pretty much wrap up for today, Chandan. We are pretty much done with everyone, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you everyone, guys. Have a
Sorry,
good day.
sir. Sir,
Yes, who's this?
sir, in the project, I just made the separate dashboard, and after that, what I will do?
Yeah, regarding that, Javed will have another meeting on that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. For now, thank you everyone for joining. Have a good day, and we will see you tomorrow.
Thank you.